As you might guess from the title, we've moved house. So a few years ago we moved to Wales, into this house exactly, and now we're moving across town into a different part of Wales, 10 minutes away. So this used to be our old house, which we moved into about 2 years ago now, a year and a half, and we moved to South Wales, which happens to be about 2 hours from every major theme park in the UK.
Yeah.
But except for Alton Towers and Blackpool Pleasure Beach, which are like 3 and 4 hours. But everywhere else, yeah, 2 hours, which is interesting. So we used to rent this place, you know, it's like, I don't know, standard house.
So this one's a 2-bed with a little garden, which doesn't really have much going on in it. But now we've gone up to a 3-bed with a slightly bigger garden.
We actually got the keys to the new house on the 23rd of April, which is the day before my birthday. So I actually filmed our initial reactions to seeing the house after seeing it, or not seeing it for like 4 months, was it? Maybe 5. What are we doing, mate?
I don't know. Imagine if the key doesn't work. Oh my god. That must be a back door key. You ready to squeeze through the door? Ooh.
Nice porch here. Pointless porch.
Hello.
It's old. It's red.
It smells.
It smells old.
Oh my god. Here we are.
Wow, look at this kitchen. It's tiny.
It's not that tiny.
No,
this is quite nice actually.
It's like, it's a fine kitchen,
No,
it's just
is.
small.
God. Welcome to the wardrobe room.
Literally.
Hello.
A wall of wardrobes.
It's so dark in here, isn't it? You do not own that many clothes.
No.
That is a hell of a long rail. Look at that guy, bless him. He's got to walk up the stairs every time to put stuff in his house. Ta-da!
Yeah, that's better.
Yeah. What? That suits you.
Very cool.
Oh look, we can lock our room
That's a bit weird.
to keep everyone else out. It's me office.
You decide what you're going to do about these wardrobes, yeah?
Probably keep them.
Just what, paint them?
Yeah. It's funny because you don't feel that high up because there's a drop there.
I'd be interested to see how many of these spaces are filled
Yeah.
later.
Yeah, I don't know, I might just paint these. That's good. Coasterbot HQ.
Here we go. Grimy
Lovely
carpet.
Look how beautiful it looks there.
Wow.
Here we are. More wardrobes, in case you didn't have enough already.
How far do they go back?
Not being funny, your view is the best view in the whole place. Da, 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 da. A bit of condensation on that one
There you go.
there. Whoa! You've got a view of some like fields as well. Hey guys. They're on the roof. This floor
God,
makes me laugh so much.
it's
Oh,
disgusting.
they left us a toilet bowl. Ta-da!
Who chooses that floor?
It reminds me of like school.
Yeah.
This whole bathroom makes me laugh.
It's not too bad when the door's closed, but when the door's open, it feels small.
Wow, it's clear. Where is my washing line? Look at our equipment. Aw. This was like a lot of stuff in here, so they've cleared this all out. A strimmer? No way. A selection of rooms. There we go. The full tour.
So because we went, we had to clean this house, so now it's all spick and span and ready to go.
Empty and echoey.
Yeah, ready for someone else to live in. So let's head on over to our actual house, which we bought with money and a mortgage.
Fake money.
Now we're in debt. Yes.
It's kind of sad.
Is it?
It's like not as sad as I thought.
Where is it? That way. So here we are at the new house, and it's raining. Of course it is. We live in Wales. It always rains.
Come here.
So mostly moved in now. I mean, there's still kind of stuff everywhere, but the majority of our things are back in the right place. You might recognise this from every video filmed in our old house ever. It will be used for a few more videos, but then it will be retired in favour of something else. I'm not running up the stairs. I usually run up the stairs. So this is the room that the cabinet, the bookshelf, whatever you want to call it, is being retired for. Just realised we left these at the old house.
Yes,
so
okay, we'll get there.
But yeah, so this will be the new Coaster HQ, currently under construction. And you'll most likely be seeing that angle again in future videos, so stay tuned. We are going to put out a video of us remodelling this place because I've been ripping off stuff. Ripping off skirting boards, we've been peeling off the wallpaper, been busy bees. So stay tuned. That's it. We bought a house. That's why we haven't really been uploading that much recently. But we've settled it a bit now, so hopefully things will turn a bit more back to normal. Especially when we've got Coaster HQ, then things will be better than ever. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you all next time.